What's your name, brother?
My name is Tahsan Ahmed.
Wow, so beautiful.
No.
It's,
I'm not handsome, you-
no, it's
very
beautiful, very beautiful. What do you cook here? Only burgers?
Yeah, on the burger.
Wow, looks perfect. Could I look at this?
Yeah, I can.
Wow. This is chicken. This is beef.
This one beef, this one chicken, and this one is special egg and cheese.
How much is special?
This one $7. Then this one $5. Normal one $5. Special one $7. Egg and cheese. Also.
Maybe do you mean ringgit?
Yeah, ringgit.
Not dollar.
Yeah, not dollar.
It's a little bit expensive, I think.
No.
7, 5, and 6.
Yeah.
Very good. Maybe I'll try some. 7. I would like to try one. Could you give me some? Could you cook for me?
Okay.
Could. What is better?
Beef.
Beef?
Yes.
It's okay.
One double
Brother,
beef.
I would like beef
Hmm?
and chicken special. Yeah.
Beef and chicken is special.
Yeah.
Together mix.
No. Two. Procure and for me.
Okay.
You're doing this very good. That is very good over here. That is not my order, right? No? Okay. Okay. How many burgers do you
7
sell
burgers.
every day?
Sell every day.
How many?
Every day open.
Every day open.
5 p.m. open then until 2 a.m.
2 a.m. Oh, 2 a.m. Oh, very good. That sounds great. To have some burger 2 a.m. Oh my god.
Bang, makan sini ya.
Wow. How many burgers do you sell every day?
Every day, I don't know.
No.
But,
Around.
Yeah, I don't know, but I think 100 burger.
Oh, very
100
nice.
Burger up.
Yeah. Very nice. You're really good at this. 100 burgers every day. That is my burger. It's good experience. Wow, smells delicious. What is that? It's like soy sauce, no?
No. Yeah,
I-
this one soy sauce and seasoning.
Oh, okay,
Maggi seasoning.
okay. Smells delicious. Very nice. You're really good at this. Whoa. So tricky. Are you from Johor Bahru?
No.
Not
I'm
from
from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yes.
Ah, you just work here?
I'm just
okay.
worker.
Oh, okay.
I'm not owner.
Worker,
Yeah,
not owner.
worker.
Oh, okay.
Not owner, worker.
But you are doing the best, like honor, and so kind and friendly. Never been in Bangladesh, but I would like. I think it's an interesting country.
You know Bangladesh?
I know it, but I've never been there. I would like to go there as well. I think it's really interesting country. Yeah,
Or you not go Bangladesh? Before?
I've never been, never.
Bangladesh very good.
Yeah, I know. I would like to visit India and Bangladesh as well.
No expensive.
No expensive, very good.
No expensive.
Yeah. So nice. And I know people are kind over there. Yeah?
Bangladesh country very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
And so kind. People everywhere is kind, yeah.
People also agree. All good.
Great food.
Ah,
Food is very good. What is your favorite?
I think
Yeah. Beef? Yeah.
beef mutton.
This rice or?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Rice.
Rice and beef.
Bangladesh people like to rice and fish.
Ah, like, oh, fish and rice. I'm surprised.
You want veggie also, Tim? Vegetable?
Yeah. Very nice. Let me check. Let me check your experience over here. My burgers look at very nice. A special burgers, less eggs. Looks incredible. Special sauce over here. Wow. Cheese. Very good.
Sliced cheese.
Special cheese for me. It's so amazing. How to say thank you in Bangladesh language? How to say thank you?
And dhannobad.
Dhannobad.
Yeah.
Oh, dhannobad.
Dhannobad.
Ah, I know that. Dhannobad. Wow. It's very nice. I think it's the best burger for me. Wow. A little bit of butter. Do you speak Bahasi?
Yeah.
Do you speak Bahasi?
Speak, I know
A little bit?
Malay.
Malay?
Know.
Ah, I know, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And it's like sedikit.
Yeah, sedikit. Something.
Sorry.
Ah.
A little bit.
Little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
So nice. Okay. Dhannobad. Dhannobad. You can say it like that. Okay. I'm gonna enjoy. That's for you, brother. Terima kasih. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your kindness.
Okay.
Very good. I'm gonna enjoy.
Yeah, enjoy.
Okay. Sampai jumpa.
Ah,
Okay, Catherine. You gotta enjoy our burger over here. Terima kasih.
Thank you.
Dhannobad.
Dhannobad.
Dhannobad. That's very nice. Hey guys, there's my burger over here. Look at this. Eggs and beef inside over there. A lot of sauce, ketchup as well. So let's try. I think it's gonna be a really great experience in my life. Oh, it's really good. Yeah, absolutely. That's true. Yeah, balance is very good. Not so spicy, not so sweet. Beef is very nice. So look at this guy, absolutely incredible. It costs around 7 ringgit. It's not so expensive because I think it's around $12 in McDonald's, but here $7, but it's much better. Okay guys, thank you so much for your ringgit is okay. Thank you so much guys for your time. Please let me enjoy this burger and see you in a while. Bye. Yeah, really good. Okay guys, we are done our burgers. It was really nice, absolutely breathtaking, so nice. Right now I would like to find something for drink maybe, and say big fan, big gentleman. It was really nice.